Hey, Dan with Monmouth Millwork here. So this is super exciting. This is the new direct set window by Sierra Pacific. They have the new casement series with that casements, awnings, wide set, a narrow set sash, ton of options available, ton of new sizing opportunities available, performance, all of that. And what's really awesome about this is at Monmouth Millwork, we're one of the first places in the United States to even see this in person. So I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of what it's all about here in the summer of 2025, and that is the Sierra Pacific new casement window. So let's check it out. The exterior, right? It's a 0.0625 aluminum extrusion. Now that aluminum extrusion incorporates the nailing fin directly into the framing of the window. Why is that important? That really matters because the structural integrity of the window in the cladding and on the framing is all one component. It's not like a flippy floppy folding vinyl nailing fin. This is a rigid, solid aluminum nailing fin incorporated directly into the framing of the window, which is going to make your installer say thank you, because it's going to make it a more solid install. It's going to allow that window to hold in place much easier, and when they mount that in, it's just going to be solid and true. Now that extrusion holds a beautiful paint finish, and that paint finish is so important when it comes to aluminum. The paint finish on there is an AMA 2604 or an AMA 2605 paint finish. And why does that matter? That matters because that is the amount of polymer flakes that they put in that paint, which allows that paint to be flexible. It allows it to contract and expand. It has UV protectants in it, so it's gonna hold that color long term. And what's awesome about this is the warranty that comes with that paint finish. If you do a 2605, gets up to a 30-year warranty. It's a powder coat finish, which makes it even better than some of the other guys out there that do a liquid 2605. And there's 50 colors standard available, which is super exciting, really awesome. And there's textures, there's matte finishes, there's tons of ways that you can play with the design and really make it your own. And what's really neat about that is they're not hitting you for all these custom charges and all that like most of the companies do that offer 4 colors or 5 colors or 15 or 30. 50 colors. Awesome, amazing, right? Now, when you look at this and the exterior, you're gonna look at the framing. You really want to pay attention to the outside. Like, how does that look on a window? And they do a beautiful job with this mitered frame here. It's just clean and simple. When it comes to windows, you don't want to see a lot of parts and pieces. You don't want it to be a Frankenstein. And they do a beautiful job at mitering that together, giving you a clean, beautiful, high-end look. Next, we're going to talk about how the glass is held in place, and the glass is held in place with this exterior stop, also mitered for just that clean, sleek look. It's part of the framing component, and direct set windows are all about that wide open glass view, and that's going to give you maximum glass with a direct set window, making it all about the glass, all about the view. Just really the most narrow picture frame you can possibly get on a window. It's gorgeous, it's clean, it's got that nice little beveled edge to it. And I think on the outside, when you consider all those options, it's really a win. Now, it's not just about the framing and kind of what holds that in the paint, it's about the glass. Like we talked about the glass. Now the glass that they use, the performance of the window, a Lowy 272 is going to come in around a 0.3 U factor with a 0.36 solar heat gain coefficient, pretty good. But you can go all the way up to a 0.15 U factor and a 0.31 solar heat gain coefficient if you do the triple pane. So there's a lot of opportunity out there, depending on wherever you are in the country, that you can meet those energy demands that are out there. As laws change, as Energy Star changes, so do the performance requirements. And with aluminum clad windows, it can be at times difficult to get there. Sierra Pacific with options has nailed it on that. That combined with their true warm edge spacer technology, it's just a beautiful shadow line that you're gonna have on there. There's no real attention drawn to it. That true warm edge spacer is going to help with the performance of the window. It's also going to help with the longevity of that insulated glass as far as condensation and seal failure. Because of that true warm edge spacer technology, it's going to allow for that contraction and expansion and keep that window beautiful with those wide open views on your direct set. So we've talked about the outside, but what's on the outside is important, but we all know what's on the inside is what matters. So let's check out the inside of this one. So they have a traditional glazing bead on the inside. They also have a contemporary glazing bead on the inside. I think that's a nice touch, depending on what the home is, the style of the home, the different divided light patterns that are available. You can really personalize that window. Where people think of a direct set, it's kind of like, it's all glass. Well, not necessarily. There's a lot of little tweaks and adjustments you can make to really personalize that and make it your choice. When you look at the jambs, because this is a suitcase sample, there's extra wood on this, but when you look at the jambs, these like 5/4 jambs on here, really just a solid, rigid product. It screams quality, and I think they really hit a home run on this. This one here is a clear coat pine on there, which is just a nice option if you want to show the wood off. You know, Sierra Pacific's the largest landowner in the United States. They're all about lumber, they're all about sustainability, and it's from seed to delivery, it is them, which is really, really cool. So there's a lot to play with. Don't think of a direct set window as just, it's a picture window. Like, there's a lot more to it. And with that, it doesn't have to be all glass. You could do simulated divided light, you could do different textures on glass, you could do different features along with it. What's really cool is click glass is available on this. Flip of a switch, this whole thing goes obscure. So there's a lot of opportunity to play and personalize and make it yours, which is a really cool thing. So the new direct set out of the new casement series by Sierra Pacific, home run, beautiful window, a ton to see and think about to really make it your own. And that's pretty much it. If you need help, contact us, info@monmouthmillwork.com.